When I'm in a rush, I prepare this breakfast. It impresses everyone. For this recipe, we're gonna need 4 sausages. Cut the tips off, then cut them in half. We're also gonna need 2 tomatoes. Slice them. Now in a bowl, add 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of milk, and whisk with the fork. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. I have here 2 slices of bread. Put some butter on and spread it with a spatula. And you guys, this recipe is so tasty and creative. Try it at home, then write here what you think. We'd love to hear from you. In a pan on minimum heat, drizzle some oil and spread it with a brush. Then add the 2 slices of bread with the side covered in butter facing the bottom. When it starts to turn golden, turn them over and add the sausages. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love sausages. After the sausages, add the tomato slices. Finally, pour the beaten eggs and add 2 slices of cheese on the tomatoes. Let cook for 5 minutes. When the eggs are cooked, cut with a spatula and fold to have 2 sandwiches. And our recipe is done! Look how pretty it is! I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!